Welcome to the world of Galaxy Buds3 Pro. Follow me on a sonic adventure. Let's explore. Deeper bass and crisper highs. Two-way speaker with dual amp delivers delicate and clear sound with precision. Hear like it's meant to be heard with our clearest ultra-high-quality audio yet. Design revamped and enhanced. Empowered by computational design, we created our most comfortable and secure fit. And now, Galaxy AI takes the ultimate audio experience to a whole new level. Regardless of your fit, it intelligently tailors sound to optimize your listening experience. Unwanted sounds? Gone. But necessary safety audio still comes through. Galaxy Buds3 Pro allows you to stay immersed and aware, wherever you are. Experience communication like never before.
Notre meilleure expérience sonore jamais vécue.
What did you say?
Our best sound experience ever.
Agreed.